So if you want to change the colors so that they represent the actual colors you have on your spools on the screen, it's pretty simple. We're going to hit N, and we're going to go to color. And we're just going to select our needles, and we just kind of go through here. So this key here is going to make it go to the right, and if you hold this key with my pinky and hit it, it'll go backwards. So if you miss it, you have to go all the way around. Found that out. So on this machine, first one is a yellow, so we'll leave that. Number 2 is kind of a minty green. If this color is not exactly what you're looking for, you can use the up and down arrows to try to find a different one. And, oop, that's not what I wanted. Needle 3 is kind of a brown. Okay, and I'm going to skip, oh, I guess this is the next one. So this will be a blue. 5 is a yellow, so I'm going to go back. 6 is red. And that'll work. 7 is white. So because there's no white, you just keep scrolling through here until the color changes to white. If you can, I would do a gray, like a super light gray, just because then it'll actually show up on the screen always. So I'm going to set this to black, and then the rest of them I don't have in this design. So now you'll see it'll actually go through and it'll render it out in the appropriate colors. So underneath the text, it is actually white, but you can see if I play with the contrast, it changes before the background does, because I set it to a super light gray. If you want to change the actual background color, it is cloth, and then I can do that. And that is how you can match it up, because now it'll actually look exactly the way it will sew if I ran it off.